Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing really well. As you can see from the title, it is a deep clean of my entire house today. So I have a house inspection coming up and honestly my house is disgusting. It is a mess. Everywhere needs tidying. It looks like a bomb's hit it. I need to really get a move on. So Max is at Rob's mum's today, so I have a free house to just crack on. If you didn't know, Max is our 18-month-old cockapoo and he is very needy. He is honestly like a child. I don't get anything done around the house with Max here. He just like follows me around with his ball in his mouth and he is the cutest thing. But the house ends up being left. While it's not here, I am going to do an extreme clean. I don't know if this video is going to be in 1 or 2 parts because I have no idea how much I'm going to get done today, but I'm going to get as much done as possible. So I really hope that it gives you all the motivation that you came looking for. Also, before we get started, don't forget to subscribe with the red subscribe button down below. Leave today's video a thumbs up and also go ahead and leave me a comment. I love chatting to you guys in the comments as well. So yeah, do all the things and let's just jump straight into the video. House seems extra dark today, but I'm literally standing at the front door just to get enough light. But yeah, I've tidied the kitchen and I'm thinking I'm going to head through and tidy the front room. As you can see behind me, it's an absolute hot mess, so I want to do that and then head upstairs and do the dressing rooms, the bathrooms, the bedroom, and then come back down and deep clean down here, because I feel like if I start deep cleaning the kitchen and the front room, nothing else is going to get done, and upstairs really needs doing. Like, that's the main thing. But I don't want to spend hours deep cleaning upstairs to come downstairs to a messy house. I'm gonna like do the general tidying down here, then tidy deep clean upstairs, and then come back down and deep clean downstairs. Hopefully that makes sense. Either way, there is a ton of motivation still to come, so let's just head through and tackle the front room. I don't think you can ever really see what this is like when I've edited it and like sped it up and stuff. So I wanted to show you a quick before, because Max literally brought in the whole garden yesterday, but he was having so much fun, bless his heart. I didn't want to stop him. But this is just what I deal with pretty much on a daily basis. It also gave him a crisp yesterday and I don't think he realised he could eat it. Like, he was just playing with it and it ended up broken up all in the carpet. So that's just amazing. So yeah, this is what we're working with. Just a quick before, and now we can jump in and get it nice and clean.
wrote something for me.
So my dressing room doesn't take long at all to tidy, so it literally just was a quick run around putting things back where they belong. I do need to still dust and hoover, but I think I'm just gonna like come back to that a little bit later so we can crack on with the bathrooms, because I do need to deep clean those. But I did just want to quickly mention that I did do all of my drawers. I made them all really nice and pretty, and I did the ones over here as well. And yeah, I made like an Instagram reel and a TikTok, so make sure that you're following me over on TikTok and Instagram for more motivation. I thought I would just do a quick reel for this, so I'll have both my Instagram and my TikTok linked down below. But right now, let's crack on with the bathrooms.
You said, son, when you grow up, you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers, and you'll find what you've got. I met a young man, searching for glory. I took out an old pen and wrote in my story. Then I kept walking on down the road. When your time is up, it's time to go. I pray he reads what's on the note and takes to heart what I wrote. I said, son, when you grow up, you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers, and you'll find.
I just went ahead and put the blanket on the bed because I need to do this fan. Let me just get up and show you how bad it actually is. I mean, look at that. Can you see it? Like, it's so grim, and we have this fan on every single night, so all of this dust is just flying all over us. I mean, can you see? I think the lighting's not great there to see that, but it's just, yeah. Oh, there we go. Look how bad that is. So yeah, I need to go ahead and give this a good clean.
There's a party downtown, someone said that you're coming by. Let me know when you're here, meet me up for a smoke outside. I regret what I said, didn't mean it. Yeah, believe me, I guess I'll take it back. There's a party downtown, someone said that you're coming by. I know that summer was a big mistake. I just hope that we're still okay. You always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want to what we want. music's loud. I forget that we're done, that you're back with your girlfriend now. For a minute, I'm back where we started, in that hallway. We couldn't keep our hands away from each other. Did you ever tell her? I have to sleep in the bed I made. I don't sleep much at all these days, 'cause you always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want, to what we want, to what we want, to what we want. There's a party downtown, really hope that you're coming by. But you always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down.
Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and end today's video here. I really hope that you've enjoyed it. I feel like I still have so much left to do, so I think I'm going to stick that in my next vlog, because I am honestly a hot mess. I physically can't do any more cleaning today, so I'm going to just put on hold what's left and it can be in the next one. So if you do want to see that one, definitely subscribe so you don't miss it, and also leave today's video a thumbs up. It just lets me know that you've enjoyed this one. I'm also going to go ahead and put my TikTok and my Instagram down in the description below. I would love for you to follow over on them as well. I will see you guys back here in my next one.